Hey, what's up, everybody? Back with another Blu-ray haul update, and I picked up Old Boy from Best Buy. Also, pre-ordered the Hunger Games Steelbook from Best Buy. Catching Fire. That's the pre-order. Comes with a LED keychain for $5. And, of course, I had to pick this up, but got it from Walmart. 12 Years a Slave. Been waiting to see this one for a while. It's the front and the back. Alright, that's my pickups for the day. Until next time.